In this video, we will unpack digital marketing, how you can get started, and what it takes to grow in this field. Let's get to it. Let's dive right in. Hello, I'm Omar. I'm a Berlin-based strategist at the intersection of technology and content at Open Strategy Partners GmbH. In the last 10 years, I founded a digital marketing agency, became an academic instructor, and I've spoken to many budding professionals about the importance of being a multifaceted digital marketer today. With the internet at our fingertips, digital marketing has become a cornerstone of reaching potential customers globally. Today, I'm collaborating with StartSteps to show you how you can get started in digital marketing. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refresh your knowledge, this video is your first step into a larger world, and hopefully a thriving career in digital marketing. So, what is digital marketing? To define digital marketing, we need to explain marketing, right? Marketing maestro Philip Kotler defines marketing as the art of creating genuine customer value. It is the art of helping your customer become better off, and the marketer's watchwords are quality, service, and value. Digital marketing takes these timeless principles and extends them to everything that uses a digital medium to deliver value to customers. But what does that mean when we look under the hood? How do we actually deliver that value? So let's get a bit more specific. Imagine using 7 different online methods or channels to attract various people, interact with potential customers, and persuade them to buy from you. So let's take a look at these 7 channels. All right, channel number 1, search engine optimization or SEO. If you want to improve your website's visibility, understanding how search engines work is crucial. Be it Bing, Google, DuckDuckGo, or the environmentally friendly Ecosia. By unlocking the secrets of search engines, you can optimize your website's content to rank higher in search engine results pages and attract more traffic to your site. Let's take a fictional bakery example to illustrate. And let's call this hypothetical bakery the StartSteps bakery. So if the bakery takes each page of its website to enrich it with keywords that people are searching for in search engines and works hard on making its website faster and more efficient, it will climb the search engine ranks. So when someone searches for fresh croissant near me, the bakery appears at the top. That's the power of SEO. Sorry, I'm French, I should say croissant. Channel number 2, pay-per-click advertising or PPC. PPC or pay-per-click is an online advertising method where you pay for each click on your ad to your website or landing page, which mostly happens on search engines. We also call PPC search engine advertising or SEA preferred. Continuing with our StartSteps bakery example for PPC, imagine the bakery decides to run a special promotion for Valentine's Day chocolate croissants. They set up a PPC campaign targeting sweet-toothed individuals searching for unique Valentine's Day treats. With each click, potential customers are directed to the landing page where they can potentially pre-order these exceptional croissants. Combine SEO and SEA, and you get a very big field in digital marketing called search engine marketing, SEM for short. All right, channel number 3. Social media marketing, and that's the one you're probably all most familiar with. Social media marketing is straightforward at its core. It involves creating content that inspires or convinces, coming up with a customer experience strategy to engage with people on your pages, and last but not least, crafting advertising campaigns to get audiences to see what the brand, service, or product has to offer. So for our cute little bakery, we can imagine that they want to captivate their audience with visually stunning posts of pastries and engaging stories, interact with comments, and run targeted ads for promotions. This strategic blend boosts their visibility and invites a broader audience to come explore their yummy creations. So channel number 4 is content marketing, the channel in which I specialize. Content marketing encompasses the creation of videos, blogs, white papers, ebooks, social media posts, and webinars, which can be used at all sales funnel stages. The benefits of content marketing done well are increased website traffic, a spike in subscribers, boosted sales, and loyal customers. Leveraging the bakery's expertise, they focus on content marketing by publishing baking tips and recipes that cater to people's immediate needs and interests. This approach naturally attracts potential customers at their moment of intent, like when they search for how to make a chocolate croissant. All right, channel number 5, email marketing. As simple as the name suggests, this involves reaching out to audiences in their inbox with tailored messages. Imagine our local bakery sends out weekly newsletters to its subscribers. These aren't just emails. They're personalized with the subscriber's name, highlight special offers like buy one, get one free on croissants, and even share sneak peeks of new menu items. By reaching directly into the customers' inboxes, the bakery keeps its community engaged, encourages repeat visits, and builds a stronger, more personal connection with its audience. This approach transforms a simple email into a powerful tool for nurturing customer relationships and driving business growth. Channel number 6 is mobile marketing. Mobile marketing involves getting users through SMS for instant notifications, app marketing to enhance user experience, and location-based advertising for personalized outreach. For the bakery, leveraging mobile marketing means sending SMS alerts about fresh batches or exclusive deals, enhancing the customer journey with a user-friendly app that showcases their menu and allows for mobile orders, and utilizing location-based advertising to attract nearby customers with real-time promotions. Last but not least, channel number 7, affiliate marketing. From a brand's perspective, affiliate marketing involves collaborating with influencers or partners with established audiences on platforms like blogs or social media. For the bakery, they will work with food bloggers or culinary influencers who share their passion for quality baked goods. By providing these influencers with unique affiliate links to the online store, they can track and reward referrals, turning fans of these influencers into new customers. So, why is digital marketing in demand? According to research in markets, the digital marketing world is on a rocket ship, and it's expected to soar to over 800 billion by 2028, doubling what it was in 2022. That's a whole lot of room for newcomers. I want to go like this. If you're diving into online marketing right now, you're riding a wave that's only going to get bigger. Digital marketers are the heroes behind the screens, turning creative ideas into digital success stories. They're not just part of the digital transformation, they are leading it. So if you've ever thought about making your mark online, now is the time to jump in and board that rocket. So let's move on to the last section, how to get started and grow in digital marketing. I've made a lot of mistakes in my career. However, upon closer reflection, I now realize that those mistakes were valuable lessons that taught me much about marketing development and improvement. You don't need to make the same mistakes I made, because I will lay out a simple 3-step recipe to start a career in digital marketing. Number 1, take an introductory course. Take an intro course that familiarizes you with the entire field. A general introduction to digital marketing in a course should look something like this. Number 1, hands-on experience in creating content, launching ads and measuring the impact of it all through analytics, and strategic know-how that teaches you how to look at the big picture and connect all these channels together. Number 2, be curious and practice self-teaching. Realize that you need to be curious and able to self-teach because the industry is constantly changing. There's a fundamental rule in fields like digital marketing that no course or program will teach you everything you need to know. And with the constant changes that we see sometimes daily for some channels, you will need to know how to figure out specific things for yourself. Number 3, specialize in a channel or 2. And let's unpack this one a little bit. Remember the 7 channels we talked about? To grow in digital marketing, you have to embrace the T-shaped digital marketer concept. A T-shaped marketer is when a person possesses deep expertise in one channel or 2, coupled with a breadth of knowledge about many other channels or marketing methodologies. So we've introduced you to what digital marketing is, 7 key channels, and said a few words about how to get started in the industry. If all this has spiked your interest and you want to build a career in digital marketing, I really recommend that you check out StartSteps and download their tech career guide. It's completely free and you can find the link in the description below. If you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe to the channel, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again soon.